Good morning, students. So let's take down illustration 34. The receipt and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2016 of Netaji Subhash Club is as follows. First thing, on the receipt side, cash balance. This is our opening cash balance. Then we have subscription. 2014-15 is of our previous year balance sheet. 15-16 income and expenditure account. 16-17 closing balance sheet on our liability side as pre-received subscription. Income from entertainment, income and expenditure account. Interest, income and expenditure account. Salaries, income and expenditure. Rent, income and expenditure. Printing and stationery, water and power, newspaper and periodical, income and expenditure. Furniture, closing balance sheet because this is additional purchase of furniture. Repairs to furniture, income and expenditure. Refreshment, income and expenditure. Closing balance sheet. Then in the adjustments we have first one. The number of members of the club was 500 and the membership subscription was rupees 20 per month. So what does it mean? We had 500 members paying us 20 rupees for 12 months. So how much do we get? 1,20,000. And in the receipt and payment account, 2015-16 on the receipt side they have given us that we have received subscription. Subscription received how much? 1 lakh. So how much is remaining? 20,000. So this 20,000 is our outstanding subscription. So where will this be shown? Once it will be added in our income and expenditure account in subscription, and again it will be written in our closing balance sheet. Next, adjustment B. The rent of the clubhouse was 1,500 per month. So again, rent 1,500 into 12 months. How much is it? 18,000. And how much have we paid? On the payment side we have rent paid 15,000. So how much is remaining? 3,000. So this 3,000 is our outstanding rent for current year. Right? So once it will be added in the income and expenditure account in rent, and again it will be written in the closing balance sheet. Then we have prepaid salary 2,000, income and expenditure account and closing balance sheet. In 2014-15, 50,000 we deposited in fixed deposit for 3 years in bank, carrying 6% interest. So what will it be? 50,000 into 6 by 100. What's the total interest? 3,000. But how much have we received? On a receipt and payment account, in the receipt side, 1,500 has been received. So how much is remaining? 1,500. So this is our interest accrued. Once it will be added in interest, and again it will be written in the closing balance sheet. Then the other assets are furniture 80,000, opening balance sheet. Sports equipment 40,000, opening balance sheet. Depreciation is to be provided at 10% on furniture and sports equipment. So this depreciation will be written in the income and expenditure account and deducted from furniture and equipment in closing balance sheet. So let's work out the problem. Illustration 34. Balance sheet as on 1st April 2015. We have liabilities, amount, assets, amount. So the first thing is cash in hand 50,000. Then we have outstanding subscription 10,000. This is written on the receipt and payment account in the receipt side 2014-15. Then we have fixed deposit. Adjustment point number D, 50,000. Then we have furniture. Adjustment point number E, 80,000. Then we have sports equipment, 40,000. Anything in the liability? No. So we need to total our balance sheet. How much do we get? 2,30,000. 2,30,000. So our balancing figure will be a capital fund in bracket balancing figure 2,30,000. So clear with the opening balance sheet. Next take down income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2016. Expenditure amount, income amount, debit side, credit side. So let's go on to the payment side in receipt and payment account. First thing we have is two salaries, 20,000. Then we have adjustment point number C, prepaid salary. So we need to deduct our prepaid salary. Why? Because for the next year we have prepaid it this year. So deduct prepaid salary 2,000. We get 18,000. Next we have two rent, 15,000. Add outstanding rent, 3,000. How did we get this 3,000? At the beginning I explained you about outstanding rent. Then we have two printing and stationery, 8,000. Two water and power, 15,000. Two newspapers and periodicals, 18,000. Two repairs on furniture, 2,000. Then in the adjustments we have depreciation. So write to depreciation. Under depreciation, first thing we have furniture. What is the depreciation for furniture? Opening balance is 80,000. Plus we have additional purchase of furniture in payment side of receipt and payment account, 50,000. So we get total 1,30,000. 1,30,000 into 10 by 100. How much do we get? 13,000. Then we have sports equipment, 40,000 into 10 by 100. That is 4,000. So we get total depreciation as 17,000. Then on the income side we have by subscription, 1 lakh. Add outstanding subscription 20,000. We get 1,20,000. This 20,000 has been explained at the beginning of problem. Then we have by income from entertainment, 2,000. Then we have by interest, 1,500. Add interest accrued, 1,500. We get 3,000. So write down the total. Credit side is more, 1,25,000. 1,25,000. Last we get 2 surplus, excess of income over expenditure. How much is it? 19,000. So I would be giving you working notes for subscription, rent and interest, so that when you refer the problem, you would clearly understand how did we get the outstanding figures. Last takedown. balance sheet as on 31st March 2016. Liabilities amount, assets amount. First thing we have is cash in hand 30,500, closing balance of cash. Then we have outstanding subscription 20,000. Then we have accrued interest 1,500. Prepaid salary 2,000. Fixed deposit 50,000. Prepaid salary will be written in a asset side as it is a prepaid expense. Then we have furniture 80,000. Add additional purchase 50,000. We get 1,30,000. Then deduct depreciation. How much is our depreciation? 13,000. So what's the furniture amount we get? 1,17,000. Then last we have sports equipment 40,000. Less depreciation 4,000. We get 36,000. Then on the liability side we have subscription received in advance. On the receipt and payment account, under the receipt side we have subscription 2016-17, which means for the next year we have received the subscription this year. So it is a pre-received subscription. What's the amount? 5,000. Then we have outstanding rent 3,000. Last we have capital fund 2,30,000. Add surplus 19,000. 2,49,000. So total our balance sheet. What is the total? 2,57,000. 2,57,000. Clear? So take down working note. First one, calculation of outstanding subscription for 2015-16. So first thing we have is total subscription of 500 members. In bracket 500. How much did we receive by per member? 20 rupees. And how many months do we have? 12 months. So how much do we get? 1,20,000. Then we will deduct subscription received in 2015-16. This is in a receipt and payment account, receipt side. 1 lakh. So what answer do we get? 20,000. So this is our outstanding subscription for 15-16. Clear? Write down note number 2. Calculation of outstanding rent for 2015-16. Next line. Total rent of the club 1,500 into 12. How much is it? 18,000 less rent paid. How much rent have we paid? 15,000. So what do we get? 3,000. 3,000 is our outstanding rent for 15-16. Clear? Next, write down note number 3. Calculation of interest accrued in 2015-16. Next line. Total interest How much is it? 50,000 into 6 by 100, 3,000 less interest received 1,500. So what do we get? 1,500 is our interest accrued in 15/16. So clear with the adjustments? You'll need to be very careful by solving each adjustment and each problem, because in different problem there will be different set of adjustments. So that's all for today. We shall continue the remaining sums in the next class. Thank you.